So children, can you hear me now? All of you can hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So probability, just open your this thing NCERT today. Okay. So that you understand that from NCERT, you'll just read whether you have finished everything or not. Okay. Hello, all of you can hear me, children. Hear me, Nihar, Sahil, Shyanvi, Priyanshu. Can you hear me? Shyanvi, Priyanshu.
Yes, sir. We can hear you.
Actually, your power went at that time. That's why it is coming so slow.
Sir, I'm telling that, sir, in probability, sir, in NCERT, sir, nothing is there, sir.
Nothing is there, no?
Yes, sir. What we have to... chapter, sir?
Yeah, we'll see once. We'll see. Whether something is there or not. We'll see once. Okay.
Sir, probability chapter is done, sir.
No. We'll just revise from NCERT now. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All of you on the camera, children, now. All of you on the.
Which chapter are we going to do next?
You tell me which chapter you want. You people, which chapter you want?
So statistics.
Okay, we start after statistics after this. Okay. So today we'll finish from NCERT. We'll just glance once whether we are leaving out with something or not. Okay. Then from the next class we'll start with the statistics. They did in class. Your Nihar in a class.
Yes, sir. It's coming for exam. That's why I was telling.
Achha, when is your exam?
Sir, it's time. It's 20th.
20th of September.
Yes, sir.
Aram say 1 week. It will take maximum 1 week time. Not a problem.
Okay, sir.
Oh, it's showing. So okay, I'm sharing the screen now. Any more chapters are left, Nihar, which is there for your exam?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
So
Sir, Heron's formula, sir.
Heron's formula we have done. You can just check out this thing. YouTube or something like Classroom also we have done already. Heron's formula is there in Classroom.
Sir, I don't have, sir, like, sir, Google Classroom, sir.
You are not there.
No, sir.
Ask Rahul sir to add. No, he will add you in Google Classroom.
Okay.
Or you can see YouTube also. If you go Heron's formula, you type, you'll get. Okay. Only one formula is there. That's it. Nothing is there. Children, can you see this one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
So first introduction is there. In everyday life, we come across the statements that it's probably rain today. I doubt that he will pass this test. Most probably Kavita will stand first in annual examination. Chances are high that the prices of diesel will go up. So there are 50-50 chance of India winning the toss in today's match. The word probably, doubt, most probably, chances used in the statement above involve an element of uncertainty. It's not sure, right? Probably rain will mean it may rain or may not rain today. We are predicting rain today based on our past experience. When it rained under similar conditions, similar predictions are also made in other cases listed in 2 to 5, right? 2 to 5, what you are having the points number. So surety is not there anywhere. It may be happen, it may not happen also, right? So the uncertainty of probably, etc., can be measured numerically by means of what? Probability in many cases. So probability, what is the probability of getting pass, or what is the probability of getting, means anything that is, we are talking in what? Uncertainty of anything, we are just discussing by the help of probability. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
So through probability, Nihar, Priyanshu has on the camera, Satvik, Sahil, Shriyanvi. Okay. So through probably started with gambling, it has been used extensively in the fields of physical sciences, commerce, biological sciences, medical sciences, weather forecasting, everything. Means they will just chances, today there is chances of this, that and all. Means if 3 boys and 2 girls are there, the being a girl is what? 2 by 5. Means chances, we are just talking about the chances. So next page is probability and experimental approach. So in earlier cases, we have a glimpse of probability when you performed experiment like tossing the coins, throwing the dice, and observed their outcomes. You will now learn the measure of chances of occurrence in particular item. Means chances, what is the chances of coming one on a die? What is chances of coming tail on a coin? So chances, probability is a experimental approach. When we are doing the experiment, right? By the help of coin or by the help of die. So what is the means probability of outcome? What is the outcome thing? You will learn that measure of chance. We are measuring the chances, right? We are measuring the chances that what is the probability of odd number on the dice. We are just measuring the chances. So we are writing numerator part. What we are writing? Favorable condition divided by what? Total
Outcomes.
Total outcomes. So the concept of probability developed in a very strange manner. In 1654, a gambler, Chevalier de Marais, approached a well-known 17th century French philosopher and mathematician Blaise Pascal regarding certain die problems. Can you hear me, Sahil?
Yes, sir. Now I can hear you.
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Yeah. Fluctuation of power is coming and going. That's it. The Wi-Fi is up and down is happening. The probability of the concept of probability developed in a very strange manner. In 1654, a gambler Chevalier de Marais approached the well-known 17th century French philosopher and
Sir,
mathematician.
your voice is breaking.
Voice is breaking. Let me check. This one I just shifted on my mobile. It will be cleared in 2 minutes, children. Okay, it will be cleared automatically in 2 minutes. Sahil, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So it will clear in 2 minutes because it will get shifted. No, it will get shifted to some other Wi-Fi. Right now, it is connected to my mobile. Priyanshu, can you hear me?
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Sir, can I read that?
1 minute. It will.
Yes, sir.
Now it will come proper. Now I'm changing this one. If power goes, no, it go for 1 minute, children. The internet connection will go. Just wait for 1 minute. Now it will come proper. Now it's clear. Priyanshu. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now it's really proper. Now this will not get stopped. Okay. So this concept of probability is happened in 1654 children. The first book was written in by Italian mathematician. It was written by Italian mathematician J. Cardin, 1506 to 1576. The title of the book was Book on Games of Chance. Notable contribution were also made by mathematician J. Bernoullis. Bernoullis theorem is there. So these are the scientists who has developed this probability. So no need to bother about these things so much. What they have done or something like that. Come down activity they have done. Suppose their number of times. See, now the activity they are doing, the number of times the cost means we are tossing the coin. They have tossed the coin 10 times. Number of time ahead, just do by yourself, children. Okay. Here they are saying to do by you only. 10 times you toss the coin. How many times it's coming head and how many times it's turning to tail. And probability is here. Number of times on a head comes up divided by total number of times the coin is tossed. This is the probability of what?
Head.
This is the probability of head. First one is the probability of head and down was the probability of tail. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Activity 2 you see now. Divide the class into 2 groups or 2 or 3 students. Let a student in each group toss a coin 15 times. Divide the class into 2 groups or 2 or 3 students of 2 or 3 students. Let a student in each group toss a coin 15 times. Okay. Another group of each group should record the observation regarding head and tails. Now on blackboard, make a table like see the table over here. Group 1 is making number of head has come 3 times and number of tails is coming 12 times. Again, group 2 is what they are doing. Number of heads is coming 7. The number of tail is 8. That means simply they are just finding out the what. So don't bother about these children, okay? Don't learn this one. This is not required. Cumulative number of heads divided by cumulative number of tails. Then this is not required for you people, okay? Leave this right now. So this is same thing. Die
Sir,
is
we
there.
can learn sir, for perspective, sir.
See what is there here. Cumulative number of head means how much continuous head has come. Okay, see here. If you want to see, you want to learn means you just learn 1 minute. I just making you understand. Comment, drawing marker.
No, sir, I am telling sir that sir we can learn, sir. But
Learn. Why you can't learn? But this is you can't. If I teach, no, you can't understand in better way. It's not there for you. See, group 1 is there. No, group 1 you see first part. Group 1 is the number of head is coming. How many times? 3 times. Number of tail, how many times is coming? 12 times. So this is the probability. 3 by 15 is the probability for this. Because,
Yes.
and number of this one, tails is what? 12 by 15, correct?
Yes, sir.
Again, see, group 2. Group 2, what they are doing over here for group 2?
Sir, it's
7.
like cumulative frequency.
Huh? Cumulative frequency. No, this is not cumulative frequency.
Sir, it's like that.
Yeah, like that only. Cumulative frequency. Top and bottom both, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah, right.
Yeah. Down one, what they are doing, you know, children. Why are just trying to tell you to leave? No, because again they are finding these two together. So 7 plus 3, 10 by 30 they have written over here. Again, this both they have added. So 20 by 30. Understood, Priyanshu, what they are doing over here?
yes, sir, this is easy, na, sir. I have understood, sir.
Easy only, but you will not be used. Means you can't get a single sum based on this. Okay.
Okay, sir. But I understood, sir.
Now next part you see, question of third one. Again, they are measuring 3, 3 or what? See, again they are taking all three.
All three, then sir by 45.
Yeah. Why 45? The total number of
Because the total number the coin tossed is 15, 15, and 15. Sir, 3 groups.
Yes. Is it clear, Sai Ritvik? The first they are finding only for
Yes,
first
sir, it's
one.
clear for me.
And second one, including both, they are considering for second one.
Sir, I didn't understand why is it 45.
Total you add, no? See, all tails and
Okay,
all head.
they're adding the yes, sir, I got it.
Total head and total tails outcomes.
So if we will not add, then the head upon total number of time it is tossed, it will be 7 upon 15 of second group.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 7 150. If you take only of group 2, here they are considering for group 1 as well as group 2. Yeah, you are correct, Sahil. Only
Yes,
for
sir.
group 2 is 7 by 15 is correct. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now moving down now. Again, you should record here number of die you just throw 20 times. How many 1 is coming, how many times 2 is coming, how many times 3 is coming. Same thing is there. Okay, children?
Sir, we have learned, sir, all this.
Yeah, that's why. Yeah, just glancing once today, whether we have learned with NCERT or not, because Sai Charan was a bit confused. Sai Charan is there in the meeting or not? He is not there, I think. No, only 4 children are there, no, today?
Yes, sir.
5. Only 5 children. 5?
6, sir.
Sir, 6.
Six, sir.
Achha, okay. Sai Charan is not there today, no?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here, children, 20 times you are throwing a die. And how many times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are coming? That one is there over here, okay? Suppose you are getting 5 times 1, the 5 by 20. 0 times 2, the 0 by 20. Understood? You can find easily, children, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now moving down. Again, cumulative, they are saying 2, 2 you should merge. First you write first one. Then you should write 1 and 2. Then you should write 1 and 1, 2, 3. Then you should 1, 2, 3, 4. You can write or not?
Yes, sir.
Children, cumulative, the total number of times a die is thrown in a group.
So this type of question, sir, comes, sir. Can come, sir, like.
Can come, but nobody is asking to your level and all. Only there's example they have given, right? Like example they've given over here. Okay.
But sir, some are telling, sir, that it is important question.
Who is telling?
Sir, some
teacher.
Classmate, sir.
Okay, no problem. If it is now you understood, no, anyway.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Classmate might not be knowing only what is cumulative probability and all. And they are saying that this is important.
So if this was important, then we have to carry a dice and a coin to toss and write the answer.
This is like
in exam hall also have to take dice and the coin and then write the answer.
So where is this cumulative probability used?
That is for this is only see, this is a starting of probability, no, Nihar. That's why what they did, no. Simply just try to make you understand that cumulative part is coming. You should not learn only. You should not learn till 12th class is not there.
Till 12th it's not there.
Cumulative frequency, cumulative probability, nothing is there like this. You won't get like this. What is cumulative part and all? Just check once. You won't get questions based on this. This only for your understanding they've given here. Means I like example, you know. Example they've given ki one group is there, then both the group, then all the 3 groups together. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You can think it will be applicable in class 9th also. You can think that there is no use of this, like only like what you can say activity kind of thing they have given over here so that you can understand in better way.
Okay, so there's nothing like cumulative probability.
No. You won't get like that. Cumulative probability, nothing like that. You won't get anyway. Just check once in the net and all you'll get. Just see once.
Okay, sir.
If any questions you are finding, just let me know. Okay. So next part is again 2 coins are tossed. So already we have read, children. Now, if 2 coin tossed, how many probability will come? If 3 coins will tossed, then what will probability will come? Right, children?
Yes, sir. We have discussed.
So H, T, T,
H, T, T, H, and T, T.
For 2 coins. The number of times the 2 coins are tossed. So
sir, 4.
4. See number.
Sir, means the number of times, sir, head comes, sir. No, sir.
See, 2 coins are there, okay?
Yes, sir.
So how many times you are just tossing it? 10 times. So what is the total number of outcome, children? Tell me. How many total number of outcome will come?
Sir, 10.
Nah. 2 to the power 10.
How, sir? I didn't understand.
Didn't understand? Priyanshu?
No, sir.
I told you 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the
No,
power...
sir.
On the very first day when I started, the probability were there or not?
Yes, sir, but you didn't told, sir.
I didn't
Yes,
told.
sir. I remember you told it, sir.
Okay, I'll show you once, Priyanshu. If you're getting confused, 1 minute. You'll understand a better way if I show the one note to you, then you understand better way. Share screen, then one note. So class 9, but 9 is not there. No, I taught you from some different thing, right? CBSE I taught, or CBSE, right? 1 minute, let me check here. See, Priyanshu, first day if you are there, you have remembered, I think, like this one, bro. Priyanshu, did you remember the same page?
Yes, sir. I'm knowing, sir, this also.
Now see, coin part you see, Priyanshu, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2.
Okay, sir, you have told like that, na, sir. Total outcome by total number point two.
Yeah. The same thing there also they are doing, no?
Okay, sir, I didn't understand, sir, what you are telling, sir.
Acha. Question you not understood means, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
What they have asked in NCERT, that page, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So you have told, sir, once the total outcome by total number coin tossed.
Now see here, same thing is mentioned here. Number of times the 2 coins are tossed. I'm asking total number of outcome. 2 coins are there, right? Number of times the 2 coins are tossed. So how many times they are tossing that? 10 times. The 2 is the outcome on the coin.
Yes, sir.
To the power. The total number of outcome is 1024.
Yes.
Is it clear, children? So this is like complicated thing. 10 times you do, so how many times no head coming up? This one. This is like for your understanding, children, they have given over here. The what I taught, that is more than enough. Okay. Is it clear? These all are the activities,
Yes,
children.
sir. Yes, sir.
All right. Next question. Just do this question, children, by you. Just once you read, if you're having doubt, you ask. We'll just do the questions right now. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Example number 1, because you'll get bored if I start reading and all this showing you everything, you will get bored. Okay, we just do from example number 1. A coin is tossed 1000 times with the following frequencies. So out of 1000 times, head is coming 455 times and tail is coming 545 times. So they're asking that compute the probability of each event. Each means you should probability of head and probability of tail.
Sir, 455 by 1000 and 545.
Sir, 455 by 1000 is head and sir 545 1000 is tail.
That's it. Anyone having doubt, children, over here? Pulastya?
No, sir.
Pulastya?
So should we simplify it totally?
What?
Sir, should we always simplify it like 455 by 1000 is equals to 0.455 in all type of question?
This is also fine, no problem.
Can you hear me?
Or you can cancel it out also. Suppose you want 455 divided by 1000, cancel out, write down in what? Simplest form. Okay, that is more important.
Okay.
So this is simplest. You can't make it simple more than this. So they have mentioned like point. Or you can cancel 455 by 1000, you can cancel by 5 table. They'll go by 91, right? 91 by 200. 91 by 200 will come, right?
Yes, sir.
Like that, you can do that.
Yes.
And both are what? Both are complementary events. Okay, so sum should be equal to 1. Okay,
Okay.
right?
Yes, so sum of probability is always 1.
Yes. So now second question you
What,
see.
sir, the sum of probabilities always?
No, there are two events in this coin, right? The sum of event, you just add this head, a probability of head and probability of tail is equals to 1. Okay.
Yes. Yes, I have told.
So now see question number 2. 2 coins are tossed 500 times. 2 coins are tossed 500 times. And we get 2 heads 105 times, 1 head 275 times, no head 120 times. To find the probability of occurrence of each of these events.
So 105 by 500, 275 by 500, and 120.
And 120 by 500.
Like that. Okay, that's it.
Sir, in this we
Sir,
can
no
find
head
tails
means
also, right?
tails.
Yeah, no head means only tails.
Sir, we can find no tail also, right?
You can find no tail also, but what is given in the question that they're asking only this much only.
Okay, sir.
2 head. What is the probability of getting 2 head? The 105. But like Bachu sum is there, no, like childish sum. That sum they have given over here. You people have read so many hi-fi sums. Okay.
Yes,
At least
sir,
at most.
like, sir, 2 heads, sir, we can identify by, sir, 105 plus 275 plus 120 minus 500, sir. So what we get is.
No. Here they have not given only. This is one part of they have given the probability. One part they have given. You can't get 1 or anything.
Okay.
But you will get this much. If you add this, what you are getting is 550, 7, 8, 2, 10, and 2, 3, 4, 5. 500 will come. Okay. So this probability is what? What is the probability of this 1? If you add, okay.
Okay, sir.
So if you add the probability of 2 head, 1
Sir,
head,
1.
no, 1. So like this, children, second part is clear to you. Now third question is, a dice is thrown 1000 times. So 1 is coming 179 times, second is 150, third is 157, this is 149, this is 175, 190. So these all are very easy question, right, children? Find the probability of each.
Sir. 179 by 1000, 150 by 1000, 157 by 1000, 149 by 1000, 175 by 1000, and 190 by 1000.
And you add all the things, you'll get 1. Okay.
Yes, sir. And we adding the thing, we get.
And we have read this one also, that probability of each event lies between what? 0 and 1.
0 and 1. 0 and 1. And can be 0 and 1, but
Inclusive.
not less than or greater than that.
Yes. And sum of all probability should be equal to 1. E1, E2, E6 comes all possible outcome of a trial. Now question number 4, you check. On the page of telephone directory, there were 200 telephone numbers. So the frequency distribution of unit place, for example, this one, unit place is 3, is given in table 5. When unit place is given, children, okay, 200 numbers are there. So how many times 0 is coming, how many times 1 is coming, how many times 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are coming, okay, at the unit place. So they have given over here out of 200 numbers. See, okay, children?
Yes, sir. So, sir, he is asking the probability of 6th place. So, sir, 14 by 200.
Yeah, 14 by 200.
Sir, today quiz is there, sir.
What?
0.07.
Yeah, quiz will read. First, we'll finish this. No, today we want to finish full probability.
0.07. Okay.
Today we'll finish probability, then we'll just do quizzes and all. Okay, quizzes we read, so many quizzes we have done. So first,
Wait, I cannot see the presentation for some reason.
Nobody can see, children, or only Priyanshu?
I cannot see.
Sir, we can see.
Sir, I can see.
I can see, sir.
Then who is not seeing the presentation?
Me. Some other is there.
Acha. Once again you join. Once again you join.
Okay.
Okay. Once Pulastya, you are not able to see, right? Okay. Fine. Hmm. Is it clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pulastya, you can see now. Pulastya. He's not there, I think, now. All right. So now question number 5th you check, children. 5th you check.
Sir, I have understood, sir, this question, sir.
Okay. All of you see, children. The record of a weather station shows out of past 250 consecutive days. It weather forecast where correct 175 times is correct. And wrong you understood 250 minus 175
Yes,
is
sir.
wrong.
257 minus, yes, sir. Then we'll get 75 by 250, sir. And for
Hey,
corrected,
Priyanshu, wait, let me discuss. Then all of us should understand. No, wait for. If understood, B means
okay.
just listen only. If you're having doubt, you ask. Okay. So children, just try to understand here. If 175 times it's correct, it means how many times it's wrong? 250 minus 175. Okay. So what is the probability that on a given day it was correct? So this is very easy. 175 divided by 250.
250.
And what is the probability that it is not correct?
Yeah, 250 minus 175.
What will come? 75 by 250. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Anyone having doubt, children, over here?
No, sir.
Priyanshu, it's clear, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now question number 6, children, what they are asking here is, a tire manufacturing company kept a record of the distance covered by a tire needed to be replaced. The table shows the result of 1000 cases. So 1000 cases they have recorded that one tire, how much it goes. Okay. So less than 1000, less than 4,000, 20 tires are there. Out of 1000 cases, 20 tires are there which will go only less than 4,000. Again, 4,000 to 9,000, there are 210 cases like that they have given over here. Now, if you buy a tire of this company, what is the probability that it will need to replace before it covered 4,000 kilometers? Before it has covered, replaced before it has covered 4,000 kilometers. What is the answer, children? Means less than 4,000.
I have understood, sir, this question.
Okay. Anyone, children, who is not able to understand the first part of it, children? First part, who is not able to understand? First one. Means it will run less than what? Less than 4,000. There are only 20 tires which are less than 4,000. So 20 divided by 1,000. Next question is, it will last more than 9,000. More than 9,000 means what, children? More than 9,000 if they ask, so this both will get included up, right?
14,000 and more than 14,000.
Yeah. So here, children, what the concept we have learned, that you should remember. More than 9,000 means more will come this one also, this one also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I had made a mistake in this.
Acha. So 9,000 more than 9,000 is 325 plus 445 divided by 1,000. Next question is, it will need to replaced after it has covered somewhere between 400 to 14,000.
Sir, 4,000 to 14,000.
210 plus 325.
And between and 14,000.
Sir, between 14,000, why do we have to do more than 14,000?
Yeah, this is
Yes,
not
sir, it
there.
is more than 14,000.
Yeah, this is not
Yes,
there.
sir.
Correct. So we are having only this two. Fine. So anyone having doubt in example number 6? Shriyanvi, it's clear to you? Shriyanvi.
Yes, sir, it's clear, sir.
Okay. Next question is question number 7. The percentage marks obtained by a student in the monthly unit test is given below. First May 69, second 71, third 73, fourth 68, fifth 74. So based on this data, Find the probability that a student get more than 70% in unit test. The
Sir, I understand, sir.
more than 70 means how to find?
Sir, means 71, 73, and 70.
Yeah. So what is the probability?
So
Sir,
3 by
71,
3 by
70.
5.
Sir,
3.
3.
So 0.6 or 3.5, your wish. Okay.
Yes, sir.
There are 5 tests. Out of 5 tests, a student is scoring 3 times more than 70%. Okay. That's why the probability is 3 by 5. Okay. If they've given here instead of 70, they give 70 only exactly. Then answer is only 2. This will not get counted up if they give 70 because they have been asking more than 70. Okay, children?
Yes, sir. So more than 70 means, sir, 71 and 72.
Yeah. So next question is question number 8. An insurance company selected 2000 drivers at random. So how many accidents they are making over here? Try to understand. Children. Age of drivers, 18 to 29 years of age. 440 are there, which is not making any accidents. Okay. Then one accident is done by this age group of people. So this is a question you understood or not, children? Question is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Anyone who is having doubt in question?
No, sir.
This is 1 year accident they have given children. Between age of 18 to 29, 440 drivers are such that they have not made any accidents. Okay, 160 drivers are there which made 1 accident, and 110 drivers are there which will make 2 accidents. Okay, they have given in this table. They have to find that being 18 to 29 age, being 18 to 29 means you should see this one. Being 80 to 29 years of age, having exactly 3 accident, having exactly what? 3 accident, exactly. So 61. 61 by
2000.
2000. Is it clear, children?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes,
total
sir.
probability is 2000 only. Yes. Next one is being 30 to 50 years of age. It will come second one. One having more than 1 accident in a year. 1 or more than 1. So
Sir,
all you should add all 3. Huh?
60 plus 22 plus 18.
Okay, yeah, it's correct. So this one you should add all this 1 or more than 1. You should add this one divided by 2000. Okay, children?
Okay.
Have no accident in 1 year. Have no accident in 1 year. So these all you should add.
505 plus 360.
So 440, 505 and 360.
Add all these 3 and divide by 2000.
Divide by 2000.
Okay, fine, children. So here we are getting same answers over here. Okay. Total, how many example sums are there in this?
Sir, 10.
Okay, almost over only, children. 9th, you try to understand table, something is given. 14.3 table, 14.3 table, which is that? Example number 4 you should see. Okay. Example 4, chapter 14. This is chapter 15, no, this one. Okay, this is based on statistics, children, you should see this one, okay? Means you should see, they have given this table, no, that is in another chapter. Other chapter is this. So don't do this question. You can just, if you're having the text.
So why is other chapter question in this chapter?
Other chapter means data is of other chapter, but you should, the question is of probability only, okay? The data what they have given over here, that is for the other chapter data, and the same data is used for probability, okay? So just see the children for example number 4, chapter number 14, and just try to do at home, okay? If you're having doubt, you can ask, okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Now see example number 10. 50 seats were selected at random from each of 5 bags and were kept under standardized conditions favorable to germination. After 20 days, the number of seeds which had germinated in each collection were counted and recorded as follows. The bag 1, 40 seeds are germinated. Bag 2, 48 seeds are germinated. Bag 3, 48, 42. Bag 4, 39. Bag 5, 41. So what is the probability of germination of more than 40 seeds in a bag? More
3 by
than
5, sir.
1,
48,
2,
40, 21.
3, and 4.
Sir,
4 is
more
coming.
than right. More than
Sir,
40,
3 by
right? So
5.
40
Sir, we
is
will not
42,
count
41.
the first one.
Yes.
Yeah. The
Sir, not
second,
count the first one, sir. 3 by 5.
yeah, 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 is the answer, children, right? Next question is 49 seeds in a bag. The
Zero,
Sir,
zero.
0 by 5, sir. What is impossible events?
Okay, very good. Now third one, more than 35 seeds in a bag.
So one.
All of them, sir.
All, sir.
Sir,
Which is
one, sir.
So last one is sure event. And
Yes,
this is
sir.
impossible event. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
So children, you have read completely. See, pata answer you have given. So this time we have read from the other book and we have did everything. Now children, you just do at home this 15.1. Okay.
Okay. Sir.
And if you're having doubt, you can ask. Okay.
Okay.
So that's the samapan of this probability chapter.
Sir, only one exercise is there, sir.
Okay, sir.
I think only one exercise is there in this because small chapter. Yeah, only one exercise is there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
After this, answers are there in this, what I've downloaded right now.
Sir, we have to solve, sir, this question in homework.
Yeah, you solve.
Okay.
Then from Wednesday, we'll start with which one?
Sir, no quiz, sir.
Sir, statistics. Sir.
Statistic.
Yeah, we'll start a statistics from the next class. Okay. So now, what do you want to do, children? Tell me.
Sir, quiz, sir.
Sir, quiz, sir.
Okay, fine. Based on which chapter?
Sir,
Sir,
any.
Any? I think probability.
Polynomials, sir.
Polynomials.
Sir, not polynomial, sir.
Then
So polynomials, could you give some hard questions?
hard questions. I don't know. It's already attached. No hard questions. Okay, I'll just look into it. 1 minute.
Yes, sir. Those quizzes are very easy. Like
Let me check. If you understood, not everything will be easy. If it's hard also. If you understood the concept, everything will becomes easy to you. And if you not understood the concept, means easy also will be harder. Polynomials. Okay, just polynomials for class 10 shall we play? Children? Same only. There's no this one changes in actually polynomials.
they're not that much hard also, sir.
No, easy only. Class 10th also is easy.
Hi, sir. One.
Okay, sir.
You just try once.
I
Not
will try, sir.
class 10th is not that hard. Similar. No changes in this class 9, 10th. Only small thing is share. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
You have confidence if you do class 10th and all. See, class 10th, you just to see the probability and all. Pata, you will do. You can do fast. All the questions. You'll not stuck anywhere. See, I've given children.
This now? Okay.
Join fast, children. Ritvik, Nihar, Shriyanvi, Priyanshu. Priyanshu, you have joined. All of you joined, no?
Sir.
Pulastya is not there in the meeting. Sahil? Pulastya is not there,
Yes,
right?
there, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, Pulastya, you are joining now.
No, I joined before, but then I couldn't see the presentation and stuff.
Okay, join.
And after that, I saw.
Okay, you are joining now, the quizzes.
Yeah, I'm joining, but for some reason, it's like, oh, okay, wait, I think I have to turn off one thing. Turned on one button by mistake.
Okay, fine. Take.
Sir, everybody came.
Okay.
Sir, I have done, sir. Can I leave?
Okay, fine.
Sir, can I leave?
Yeah, fine. You can leave now.
Yes, thank you.
Mind answer.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very nice. You can leave, children. You can leave. Nihar.
Sir, today Sachin didn't come and there were no double accounts or any other account.
What Saichara is not there?
Sir, today Sachin is not there. So there
Hmm.
is no other account or any other person
Correct.
in the quiz.
Hmm.
Bye, sir.
Bye. So many children have done. Nihar, you want to do it completely? Hey, Priyanshu has did two things.
Yes, sir.
Priyanshu has did with two accounts.
Yes, sir. I'm just doing it, sir.
No, I'm saying Priyanshu. Priyanshu has did with two accounts. Pulastya.
Sir, I have finished. Can I leave?
Okay, fine.
Yes.
Huh? Yeah, Pulastya. Shriyanvi.
Done,
When I
sir.
was pressing space, it was like doing something
Sir,
else.
can I leave?
Yeah, Nihar. Okay,
Thank you,
fine.
sir. Bye, sir.
Bye. Pulastya, you can leave now. Pulastya. You can leave for the day.